Hello students, I am Jadhav Yasvi. We start to learn math for 6th standard. Chapter's name is angles. And in this lecture, we solve practice set 2. In practice set 2, question number 1 is match the following. Measure of the angles and types of the angles. Look, these are measures of angles and these are types of angles. We match following. First is 180 degree. 180 degree means straight angle. Angle which have 180 degree is called straight angle, means B. 240 degree. Angle which have greater than 180 and less than 360 is called reflex angle. So this is C. The angle which have 360 degree is called complete angle. So this is complete angle. An angle which have 0 degree is called zero angle. Okay. Question number 2. The measure of some angles are given below. Write the types of each angles. Look, these are measures of some angles. We write types of each angle. Okay. Here is measures. 75 degree. This is acute angle because the angle which have less than 90 degree and more than 0 degree is called acute angle. So this is acute angle. Okay. This is 215. 215. This is called reflex angle. Reflex angle because the angle which have more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. This is zero angle because measurement is 0. This is complete angle because measurement of angle is 360 is called complete angle. Complete angle. This is 180 degree. 180 degree means straight angle. The measure of any angle is 180 degree is called straight angle. 120 degree. This is obtuse angle because the measure of angle, if the measure of angle is greater than 90 and less than 180 is called obtuse angle. So this is obtuse angle. This is also obtuse angle because this is greater than 90 and less than 180. So this is obtuse angle. This is right angle because the angle have measure 90 degree is called right angle. Okay. 75 degree is acute angle. 215 degree is reflex angle. 0 degree is zero angle. 360 degree measurement, this angle is complete angle. 180 degree, this angle is straight angle. 120 degree, this angle is obtuse angle. 148 degrees, this is obtuse angle. And 90 degree, this is right angle. Okay. Then question number 3. Look at the figures below and write the types of each of angles. Look, this is less than 90 degree. So this figure is acute angle figure. This figure is acute angle. This is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. So this is right angle. Right angle. This is more than 180 and less than 360. So this is reflex angle. Reflex angle. This figure is straight 180 degree. So this is called straight angle. Straight angle. Okay. This is 0 angle because measurement is 0, and this is whole, this measure is 360, so this is complete angle. Complete angle. Okay, this is A figure is acute angle, B figure is right angle, C figure is reflex angle, D figure is straight angle, E figure is 0 angle, and F figure is complete angle. Like this, you can solve another questions of practice set 2. Okay, understand? Thank you.